my name is Josiah Rea. I'm going to show you how to easily graph a function using Microsoft Excel. Now, there really isn't an easy way to graph it. Unfortunately, you can't just put the function in and push a button and it'll automatically generate a graph like a graphing calculator would. But I will show you how to do it in a fairly easy way. So suppose we're over here in Excel and we have this function, just a regular linear function for a line. So y equals 2x plus 3, let's say. So, standard formula there for a line. And to take this and translate it into a line, what we actually need to do is we need to get a set of points. And Excel can put those points on a graph, and then we're just going to tell it, use these points now to make a line. So I'm just going to put some numbers here, 1, 2, and we can select these and drag them down, and we'll go down to like 7 or so. And here's where the function comes into play. Go one column over, and we're going to push the equal sign, and that brings us up into the function window. And we're going to say 2 times, and that's the asterisk key there, and click on the cell right next to it. And then you're going to go plus 3 and push enter. And so what that does is it automatically references the cell next to it as though that's the y. So it's going to take, or excuse me, that's the x. So it's going to take that function, multiply it by 2, add 3. And so that's what y now equals a concrete value instead of sort of a theoretical value. Now you can select this cell, and we're going to drag in that little corner there like we did before. We're going to drag this all the way down. And as you click on these and you look at the function window, you can see that the cell that it's referencing is changing. And so it's actually constantly referencing the cell next to it. And we've automatically created these points dynamically, which is pretty cool. So we're going to select both sets of numbers here. We're going to go to Insert, and we want to insert a scatter graph instead of a line graph. Don't let the line graph fool you. It's not what you want. So we're going to insert these points kind of scattered across the grid. But if you look, they're all in a perfect line, which is pretty much exactly what we want. Just right-click on any one of the points, and it'll select all of them. And you want to say Add Trend Line. And it'll give you a whole mess of different options and stuff. But since this is just a standard line we're inserting here, we just want to select the linear button, set Close, and it automatically generates that line for you that goes along with the points. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to almost easily create a line graph using Microsoft Excel. I'm Josiah Rea.